I use a product on my hair. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know you hear the cars going by. I'm on the porch, getting ready to set my hair. But before I do that, I want to say thank you. Thank you to my subscribers that have been hanging in there with me for the longest time. I want you to know that I appreciate you. And thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the Gene G family and showing me support. And if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know whenever I upload a video. Now today I'm going to be using a new product, one that I've never used before. It's a setting lotion. The setting lotion that I'm getting ready to use is the Sisterlock setting lotion. I hope you can see that. It's the Sisterlock setting lotion. Already I know that I wish that it was not in a jar. I wish that it was in a pump bottle. And as a matter of fact, when I get home, I'm going to put it in a pump bottle. This is what it looks like. And I'm sure now you understand. Now I read about it on the website, and I was told to use it sparingly. That's what the direction says. Sparingly, because it has aloe in it, which is a conditioning agent, and it may take longer to dry if I use an abundance of this product on my hair, so I'm going to use a little bit. It also says to use it on damp hair. My hair is damp because I shampooed this morning. That's why my hair is still braided and banded. So it's damp, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my first braid, and then I'll come back. So it's hard to show you just how much I'm using because I just dipped my finger in, and now I'm just going to rub it in my hand. Put it on my hair like this, and hopefully it's not too much. And Janelle Wilson said the jar setting lotion should last longer than that in a bottle. So that's why I bought the jar. So this is what I'm going to do for my hair. And you've seen me take out my braid outs. So this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to let my hair air dry. I'll come back after it does. I will let you know how long it took to dry, and you will see the results. I'll see you when I get back. So I started using less setting lotion. So I use that same amount of setting lotion that I used on this hair, on this. Okay? So here I go. My daughter wants to know who I'm talking to right now. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing with that same amount, and I'm going to see how it turns out. It feels really good going on. There's nothing to it. I hope it helps with the frizz as well. And we will see when I get back. I like the results. This is a sister who loves her lots. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Have a wonderful day.